Today's video. In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install mods inside Steam through Workshop. So once we open up Steam, the first thing we need to do is go to the top left hand corner, click on Library, select Home. Once you click on this, you will then be on here where you can see all of your different games in your Steam. Now, the easiest way that we can do this is if we go to the top left hand corner, click on these three little lines. You will then get this menu. Now you want to head over to features, go down, click on Workshop. And then what this will do is it will show you all of the available games which do support Workshop mods. Now what we can do is we can go to the game, select this right here. And then once you do this, go over, click on Workshop. And here is where you'll have now a library of many different mods that you can install to your Steam games. So for example, if I just find a random one here, you can sort between most popular, most subscribed, and most recent, or you can also search for them at the top. Now what we can do is we can go down, I will select a mod here, that will then bring us to here, and then you can see now you need to subscribe to download. So all you simply need to do is click on subscribe, and then as you will notice, this item has now been added to your subscriptions. So what you will need to do is you will need to relaunch the game, and then once you relaunch the game, that mod will then be active. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use mods on Steam. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.